Hare Krishna Prabhuji, wishing you many more happy returns of the day.
Wish you a very happy Krishna consciousness birthday, Prabhuji.
Wish you a very happy Krishna conscious birthday to our dear most Jahnudvipa Nitai Prabhu. Please keep on showering blessings on us like this.
Wish you a very happy Krishna conscious birthday.
Wishing you a very happy Krishna conscious birthday, Prabhuji.
Happy Krishna conscious birthday, Prabhuji.
Happy Krishna conscious birthday, Prabhuji.
Happy Krishna conscious birthday to you.
Happy Krishna conscious birthday, Prabhuji.
Wish you a very happy Krishna consciousness birthday. By His grace, Jahnudvipa Das Prabhu, the founder of Gita for you.
Happy Krishna conscious birthday, Prabhuji.
I really have met only 2 to 3 times. Whenever I met you and I talk with you, I really feel very happy.
I am so thankful to have you in my life. It is unimaginable for me without you. How I can lead my life. It is very difficult for me.
On this special occasion, I take this opportunity to express my heartfelt gratitude towards you. Thank you for being an impeccable mentor and a gem of a person that you are.
Prabhuji has always been an inspiration for all of us, teaching us how to implement the teachings of the Bhagavad Gita in our day-to-day life.
Thank you for inspiring us, guiding us in Krishna consciousness. Thank you for engaging us in devotional service.
Your birth for us is matters. Because of you, we have started bhakti.
Thank you so much for guiding us on our spiritual journey in the Gita for Youth community.
Thank you for always guiding me and encouraging my devotion towards Krishna without making me feel anything. I am really grateful to Lord Krishna that He has sent you in our life as a guidance. You have always been engaged us in the service of Krishna.
You are so loyal, kind, genuine, generous.
You interact with us, every one of us, very personally.
That I can't explain the connection with you in this short video.
Prabhuji, please bless us to always continue to serve you, Srila Prabhupada, and all the devotees of our Gita for Youth family.
In our life, we are generally tensed or we are disappointed. But when we see your smile in the classes, the morning classes, every kind of depression, disappointment or sadness, everything just clears off.
I had committed many mistakes in the past in my services, not regular, but he has always been very forgiving, very tolerant and merciful.
You always support me. You are my emotional support. You always support me when I am low. You are my strength.
I also look forward to meeting myself in devotion services towards Krishna.
Whatever we have a spiritual knowledge, because I came in contact with you, and after that I started seriously bhakti.
And you always been there for us to solve our problem, giving us best suggestion as you can.
You inspires us and gives every one of us. We don't have any qualifications, still you give us that opportunity to serve Krishna and the most important service, that is preaching. Thank you very much for giving us so much.
So always my gratitude to you is ultimate, and you always encourage me to write the spiritual words in one of my favorite art, calligraphy, and that I still remember. Whenever I write every spiritual word, I thought of you and I remember you in my mind, and then I'll go on. And thanks a lot for your support and everything. Hare Krishna.
Thank you for indulging me into services and making me closer to Krishna. Thank you for all that you've been doing for us. I look forward to indulge myself more into Krishna consciousness and services towards the Lord, you and Gita for Youth.
I am very grateful to have you. Thank you so much, Prabhuji. Hare Krishna. It's been more than 1 year, and being with you and being in this journey of Krishna consciousness is the best part of my life. So thank you to be with us, and please bless us with a more service and more journey of Krishna consciousness. Hare Krishna.
Your preaching is just tremendous, and your examples and your way of explaining is so nice and practical. You motivates and engages us and inspires every one of us while doing our classes, while our regular classes. You tell everyone to read, you ask questions to everyone, just like you keep engaging everyone in the service.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, Dandavat Pranam. On your auspicious day, may Shri Radha Ras Bihari, Shri Guru Maharaj, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Lord Nityananda Prabhu, along with all the 6 Goswamis, may shower their blessings upon you abundantly. I wish you very happy Krishna consciousness birthday, Prabhuji.
The only way I want to thank you is by serving more and more. I want to do a lot of service to do till end via Gita for Youth, and I want to offer everything to you.
I pray to Shri Radha Ras Bihari for your good health, your happiness, and may all your spiritual desires come true. Hare Krishna.